Jabir ibn Hayyan, also known as Geber in the Western world, was a prominent Muslim polymath, alchemist, chemist and philosopher who lived during the Islamic Golden Age. He was born around 721 CE and died in 815 CE. Jabir made significant contributions to various fields, including alchemy, chemistry, medicine, philosophy and astronomy. Jabir is often credited as father of chemistry for laying the foundation for modern chemistry. He developed experimental techniques like distillation, crystallization and oxidation. He discovered important acids like sulfuric and nitric acid, and his writings covered a vast range of chemical processes. Additionally, Jabir wasn't just a chemist. Jabir wrote extensively on philosophy, medicine, astronomy and other fields. Jabir has a large range of scientific inventions. One of them is the alembic distillation device and improved weighing instruments. His emphasis on experimentation and meticulous procedures paved the way for future scientific advances. Jabir ibn Hayyan made significant contributions to philosophy, particularly in the areas of alchemy, cosmology, and metaphysics. His philosophical ideas were often intertwined with his alchemical and scientific pursuits. Some key aspects of his contributions to philosophy include: Number 1. Alchemy and metaphysics. Jabir's alchemical works were not only practical but also philosophical. He integrated metaphysical concepts into his alchemical writings, discussing the transformation of substances as symbolic of spiritual transformation. His work laid the groundwork for the fusion of mysticism and science in the medieval alchemical tradition. Number 2. Cosmology. Jabir explored cosmological concepts and the nature of the universe. He discussed the relationship between the microcosm, individual, and the macrocosm, universe, in a manner that reflected Neoplatonic and Aristotelian influences. His philosophical ideas contributed to the broader Islamic philosophical discussions about the nature of existence. Number 3. Integration of Greek philosophy. Jabir played a role in translating and interpreting Greek philosophical works, especially those of Aristotle and the Neoplatonists, into Arabic. This helped to preserve and transmit the philosophical heritage of ancient Greece to the Islamic world, fostering a rich intellectual environment during the Islamic Golden Age. Jabir ibn Hayyan wasn't just a pioneer in chemistry and alchemy, but his work also had a profound impact on the development of medical science. Here's how Jabir's emphasis on experimental methods and meticulous procedures in chemistry translated directly to the field of medicine. He laid the groundwork for understanding the chemical properties of medicinal compounds, paving the way for the development of new drugs and treatments. Jabir discovered or synthesized numerous new substances that found applications in medicine. These included sulfuric acid, used as a cauterizing agent and disinfectant; nitric acid, used to prepare various medicinal compounds; citric and tartaric acids, employed in treating digestive disorders and gout; mercuric chloride, used as an antiseptic and antiparasitic agent, although later found to be toxic. Jabir ibn Hayyan also had an enduring interest in astronomy, largely intertwined with the astrological beliefs of his time. Here's how his contributions influenced the field. Number 1. Observations and records. Some sources mention his observations of planets and stars, potentially using early astronomical instruments like astrolabes or quadrants. His writings hint at his knowledge of planetary movements and celestial phenomena. Number 2. Astrological integration. During Jabir's time, astrology and astronomy were closely linked. Astrological concepts played a significant role in understanding celestial movements and their perceived influence on earthly events. Jabir incorporated astrological ideas into his alchemical and philosophical works. He believed the positions and movements of celestial bodies could impact chemical processes and influence the properties of various substances. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.